Hey everyone, it's Sebastian Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, we're gonna go over the settings and the insights. So let's take a look at the settings first. So here we are in our page. We're gonna go to settings. The first one is general, and this is where you can see if your page is published or not. You can also verify your page here. We went over this in a separate video, so if you want more information on this part, just watch that other video. But here's where you're gonna verify your page either with a phone number or with documentation. Another one, you can turn off profanity, maybe if you wanna delete your page altogether. Next one is messaging. You can set up, for example, a greeting every time somebody opens the messenger, and anytime you wanna go see what it looks like to your visitor, you can click here, view the page as a visitor. And so when a visitor clicks on the send message, this is the greeting that you're gonna get. And you can turn it off or on the settings. So let's go back to the home page. And go to settings. So I'm gonna turn that off. All right, the next up is the page info. This one is pretty critical. You want to have your description and the categories correctly. Add phone numbers, websites, email if you have one. All right, now for the templates, you can come here and like reorganize the tabs that you're gonna have. Maybe you want the videos to be prominent on the top with the photos. The next one, notifications. By default, they're all turned off, but if you want to get notified by different settings, go ahead and turn the ones you like on. The messenger platform, this is where you can have subscription messaging. You click here to request it. You have to send Facebook a couple of examples of the type of messages that you're going to send, because they don't want you to send deals and promotions like you see here, so they will not accept you. I've seen some people trying to request this multiple times. You can keep requesting it and they'll either deny or approve it, but I've seen people doing it like 7-10 times before they get approved. You gotta have the right example, you gotta have the right description. In the page roles, this is where you're gonna add other people to your team, maybe an editor, or you're gonna have other admins to help you manage the page. People in other pages, here's where you're gonna see all the people that like your page. This page is pretty new, so we're not gonna have anybody. We haven't sent any traffic to this page since we're just setting it up. So we only got this one person that liked it. You can also connect your Instagram account if you have one. You can cross-post videos with other people. And if your business has a Wi-Fi network, you can put it in here. All right, so next up, we're gonna take a look at the insights. Social media is a powerful tool to connect your business with your audience, but posting without understanding the type of content that your audience wants is like driving blind. So you have to give your audience more of what they like. Luckily, Facebook has a powerful tool called Facebook Insights. So Facebook Insights allows you to easily measure the performance of your page. Insights tracks likes, page views, reach, and a lot more. The page metrics. Understanding your page metrics gives you the information you need to make sure that you're putting out the content in front of the right audience. And Facebook Insights makes it really, really easy to view and to understand. They show you things like page likes, the reach you had on each post, the time of day when your audience is more likely to see your content, and way, way more information. The page like section is a great place to monitor the overall growth of your followers. It can show you things like how your organic posts are doing versus your ad campaigns. So let's go to the live site and take a look around. Here we are on our new page. So we're gonna go to the Insights tab, and Facebook gives you a lot of information about your post, about your page, about the people that like your posts and the engagement that you're getting. So on the page summary, the overview, you can do the last 7 days or the last 28, today and yesterday. They don't give you a lot of flexibility to change those dates, but if you want like different ranges, you can export your data. You can export it to Excel spreadsheet. So if we scroll a little bit, you can see it's going to show you the page views, the page likes, the reach, and your most recent posts. So this is very helpful when you're going to start running ads for your posts and then get some paid visits into your posts. So let me go into another page that I have here that is a little bit older. That way we can see some numbers. It's not a great page, but we can see a little bit of numbers in there. So for example, we have these posts, and we can see that, for example, this one, it had a pretty good reach and versus this other one. So maybe this one will be good, like to boost it and get some paid visits in there. When you click on the actual link, let's say this is a video, so it will tell you the comments, how many clicks, and you can see if you want to boost it or not. It'll tell you, for $30 you can reach that many people. And now, so let's go back to our page and the insights. All right, so in the post, you're gonna see all the posts that you published. You're gonna see the reach and all that. So it gives you a lot of information that is very beneficial for you. You can see your messages, how many blog connections you had, every new message that you had, the reach on your posts. So this is all very important when you're gonna run ads. Basically, you can see the statistics of your page and your posts, and it can help you out. That way you can target the right demographics. And for example, let's go back to the other page. And I just want to show you something. So when you go to the posts tab, it'll tell you what days of the week you get the most reach when you're targeting people, and also what time of day. So I know, like right around 6 p.m. I have a peak on there, and then right about 8 o'clock in the morning is not bad. So maybe people are getting off work at 6, or they just got home and they get on Facebook, and then maybe in the morning when they first get to work. So that way you know when to post your stuff. You get some insights for each day. And let's go back to our main page. And that's it, guys. That's it for the insights. You get a lot of information in there, especially when you start using your page and start getting more data that I have right here. Start looking at your posts, just boost the ones that are doing better. And then when you get, because that's how you find the good posts that Facebook is going to help you out when you spend money on them. So if Facebook sees that a certain post is getting a lot of engagement, they're going to show it to more people, and it's going to cost you less money. So it's a very important page. So keep an eye on it and just visit it like every few days, just so you can have a good idea of how you're doing on your page.